Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the AI to improve the PowerPoint presentation. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, to start off this video, I would like to try to use this presented.ai here to create the PowerPoint file or the presentation file first. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view. And after that, you can go to this get started free, and after that it will bring you into this section to start off the presentation. And you can also see the home page here, and initially for the new user they will give you 2000 credits. And since I have tried to recommend this present AI, so I got 200 credits more or bonus, so I get the 4,000 of credits, and this is the credits I have or the rest of the credit now. And for example, if you would like to find out how to use the AI to improve the PowerPoint presentation, well, the first thing that you will notice is that the AI will help you to generate and also refine the content. For example, if you would like to start off the AI to create the file, you can start to select the topic that you would like to present into the PowerPoint presentation. For example, there is the halfway presentation I would like to make with this Present AI, and you will see here there is the example of the topic, and I choose this social media marketing strategies and the tips. And after that, this Present AI will help you to create the content that will be presented into the PowerPoint file or into the presentation. And after the generation process, you will see the title or the structure of this presentation. For example, there is the title, outline, and also the section, content, and also the section again, and content, and a lot of things over here. And also there will be the closing. And as you can see that every single, let's say the subtopic, has also the content over here. For example, this is the main title, and also the subtopic is about the introduction to the social media marketing and also the developing a social media social media strategy. I'm sorry. And also this is the next section is about the introduction to social media marketing. So the inside of the social media marketing, there will be the definition and also the benefits. And the third section or the third subtopic is about the developing social media strategy and etc. And after that, you can continue to select the template theme and the usage or the benefit or how to improve the AI to improve the PowerPoint presentation. If we go back to the first one is to generate and refine the content, and the second one is to add the design or the slides. For example, if you would like to choose the theme for this presentation file or the presentation stuff, you can start to click this, select the theme, and you will see a lot of design over here, and this is very stunning and also sophisticated at the same time. And for example, I fall in love with this one. I'm fall in love with this one, so I think I would choose this one. and I will click continue, and you will see there is a lot of setting here, like the theme map, and also the advanced setting and the audiences. You will see, or you can choose, like the, let's say, creative worker, tech enthusiast, or you can also add a lot of audiences here. And the tone, for example, it will be, let's say, humorous, and also the language will be in English. It can be changed, by the way, and you can continue to activate this. The layout, show the table of content and page when generating, and also show the chapter page when generating. And you can continue to click generate now, and kindly wait for this present AI to generate everything into the whole full of the presentation file. And if you have any request or suggestion about the another AI that can do the same as good as this present AI, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there and making the video in another version. And as you can see, or when we talk about the improve, how to improve the AI to create, how to use the AI to improve the PowerPoint presentation. The first one was to generate and refine the content, and the second one is design the slide, and the third one also related to the design slides is also adding the visual like this, guys. Not only for the topic or content, but also even a thanks section can be also added with this design. And by already generated everything into this file, so it will help you to deliver this presentation and which media that you would like to. For example, you can use the Microsoft PowerPoint, or even the Canva, or even another platform like Google Slides. So this is the presentation files we have now, and as you can see that the look is very beautiful. And for example, I would like to try to download it by click export here. And also there will be 24 pages, and the font with the font, and also I click export here. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try the AI to improve the usage of making the PowerPoint presentation. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.